Welcome to Victory Chat with Jackie McKeever. Your victory starts here. Hello, I am your host, Jackie McKeever. What I do is I help individuals just like you. I help you get organized, help you get trained, and help you create multiple scalable income streams so that you can use as a vehicle to take your life and your business back. Y'all, here on Victory Chat, we talk about the victories, honey. Your victories start with the conversation. And you know what time it is for today? I sound like Mrs. Rogers or something. Anyway, it's time for the morning tea. Y'all know what happens during the morning tea. We take our cup, put hot water in it, two hot tea bags. They're not hot. 2 tea bags, a little honey for sweetness, and sip on the tea. Y'all, today's topic is 5 other ways to be more productive. If you have not caught Monday's broadcast on YouTube, you want to click the link in the description, or make sure you follow me on YouTube by going to bit.ly/Jackie's YouTube, bit.ly/Jackie's YouTube. Because on Monday, I talked about what productivity was and how to improve on it. And today, I'm giving you 5 other ways to get more productive. Why? Because, listen, you have goals and it's time for you to start achieving your goals. And in order to do that, you have to learn how to be more productive. More productive. And speaking of productive, I'm doing a 8-day challenge, productive challenge. You simply go to my Linktree /route to victory and sign up for the productivity challenge. Simple, plain, point blank. So y'all, let's get into this topic. 5 other ways to get more productive. The first way, and I really love this way, this is something that I do often, is listen to music while you're doing a task. Y'all, I love, when I clean up, I love to fill the space with music. So because in my mind, I'm cleaning the space mentally, spiritually, and physically. And what better way to change the atmosphere by using music? It also motivates me to get things done because I just be dancing with my broom or my mop. That's number 1. The second other way to get more productive is to put your phone on do not disturb. Y'all, you don't have to look at every text that comes in. Take a moment to focus your attention, your full attention, not multitasking, on what it is you want to do in that segment, okay? That time period that you carved out. Y'all, sometimes I put my phone on do not disturb just so I can have some me time, okay? So, because I know having me time helps me be productive when it's time to go. But anyway, that was an extra one. That wasn't even on my list. Okay, so the first way was to listen to music. The second way was to put your phone on do not disturb. The third way is to change the scenery. Y'all, I'm not talking about vacation, but it's always good to out the space and go outside if you can perform it outside, or go to a hotel, a spa, or something where you're away from all your distractions. You don't have all your devices to distract you, and you can just zoom. You're not around the kids, the husband, the auntie, the family members, and that way you can zoom in on one of your tasks, right? So your change of scenery can even kind of sort of be virtual, because one of the things that I did this weekend is I have a writing buddy, right? So she's writing a book and I'm writing a book, right? And she's writing fiction, I'm writing some nonfiction. And so what we started doing was writing sprints. And that's another extra one. It changed the scenery to like a virtual scenery, because I was looking at a particular picture, So whenever I didn't know what to write, I just look at the picture as though I was somewhere else, imagining I was somewhere else, even though I was in my office. Yeah. And I was mentally changing the scenery, and I was adding another person with the same focus, y'all, because she was writing, so we would set like 30 minutes sprints, and at the 30 minutes, we would evaluate our progress. It helped us draw us attention, like what is distracting you? What can you do to eliminate those distractions? Or if you were successful during that sprint, you got to pat yourself on the back. And it gave you the opportunity to be kind of competitive. Sometimes we're more productive when we have somebody to compete with. Anyway, so the first one is listen to music. The second one is put your phone on do not disturb. The third one is change the scenery. The fourth one is delegate. Delegating some of your tasks can help you be more productive in other ways. Y'all have children, and y'all believe, you ripping and running around. Let them kids clean that room. Let them kids wash the dishes. You might be afraid, well, they don't get the dishes that clean. Tell them to return to their position and rewash those dishes. Or just get some paper plate. Have your honey stop at the store on the way home and get some plates, some disposable plates. So that'll eliminate, and that's another clue, task. And you don't have to do it. You don't have to go to the store because you have your honey to-do list, because you delegated it to everybody else. A lot of times we get frustrated, we're not productive because we're trying to do everything. You don't have to do everything. So, and the first one is listen to music. The second one is put your phone on do not disturb. The third one is change the scenery. The fourth one is delegate. And the last way to get more productive is learning how to plan. One method you can use that I discussed on Monday is the 1-3-5 rule. The 1-3-5 is a way that you can prioritize some of the tests that you can prioritize the tasks that you have to do, need to do, or want to do within that day. And the 1, 3, and the 5 are numbers assigned to the type of task, and you cannot do more than 9 a day. So there you have it, 5 other ways to get more productive. That's all we have for the morning tea where we grab our cup, pour hot water, put 2 tea bags in a little honey for sweetness, and sipped on that tea. Y'all, make sure y'all join the productivity challenge and spend 8 free days with your truly. I'll be your accountable partner, and we'll learn how to get you more organized so that you can be more productive, because our goal is to take your life and your business back so that you can begin to have more victory chats. That's all I have for today. This is Victory Chat with Jackie. Your victory starts here.